everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. Today we will be doing a crochet hat for babies sizes 9 to 12 months.
We both know this is wrong, so why?
So grab your yarn and wrap it around your finger and pull this tail like so, and put the hook in front of the yarn and twist it and pull it down, and wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through. Okay, so make sure you have that circle there and hold on. Chain 1, and we have to half double crochet inside the circle 9 times. So 1 and 2. So I have here now my 9th half double crochet, and I'll just have to slip stitch. Okay, so this is my first row. So next is chain 2, and you have to double crochet in each stitches. So increase in this part. So this is my first increase, 1. That's first increase, and now I am in the last part. I made 18 double crochets. Now chain 2, and this time 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1, and the next is increase. Increase means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, this is what it looks like, and now do this pattern in the entire circle. So I'm here now at the end. I'll just have to slip stitch. So chain 2, and this time you have to make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn and insert it there and pull it through. And next is increase here. Increase is 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and do that pattern all over the circle. So I'm here now at the end. I'll just have to slip stitch to it to close the row. So in this row it's a bit different. So wrap your yarn twice and skip this row and go down and find that post aligned to your hook, and insert it there and wrap your yarn and pull it through. Pull this yarn, and you should have 4 yarns in your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap your yarn and pull that yarn in the first 2 like so. Okay, and wrap your yarn and again pull that yarn in the first 2 yarns in your hook, and wrap your yarn and pull it through all the way to the end. So what we're doing here is a treble crochet in the front post. Okay, this is what it looks like. And again, let's go back to our pattern, which is double crochet. Wrap your yarn and insert it in the next stitch, back loop only. So you double crochet at the back loop of your circle only. Okay, so there's my first double crochet. Again, wrap your yarn, insert it in the back loop only, that there, and wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through. So I have 2 double crochets in the back loop only. So I have to make 3 double crochets before I will increase. So I have 3 double crochets here now, and now increase. Increase means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Again, use the back loop only. Okay, we're still sticking to the pattern here. 3 double crochets and increase in the 4th stitch. So here's my increase, and now 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through, 1 and 2. Okay, so that's my pattern. 3 double crochets and then an increase and 2 double crochets next. Okay, and then the treble crochet. Wrap your yarn twice in your hook and find the post aligned to that stitch there. this one here, and insert it there, like so, and wrap your yarn, pull it through. You should have 4 yarns in your hook, and wrap your yarn and pull that yarn, this yarn here, into the first yarn, and wrap your yarn and pull it in the first 2 yarns, and again wrap your yarn and pull it through the end, and another treble crochet, and repeat the pattern around the circle. So here I am now at the end of this row. I'll just have to slip stitch to close it. Now chain 2 to start the next row, and again you have to insert your hook in this post here. So you have 2 yarns in your hook and insert it in this post here, and pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through in the first 2 yarns in your hook, pull it through in the first 2 yarns in your hook, and then wrap your yarn, pull it through the end. So another post you've made here. So again, continue the double crochet in the next stitches. So this time you have to make 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. So 2, 3, 4, and then increase. Okay, so you have to increase here, means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, and then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Okay, so here's your increase and here's your double crochet. So insert your hook and make a double crochet, and again another double crochet in the last stitch. Then you have to do the triple crochet. Wrap your yarn twice in your hook and insert it here in the post, and pull it through, and pull it through in the first 2 yarns, and pull it through in the another 2 yarns, and then pull it through. So again, I'm on the end of this row. I'll just have to slip stitch, and this time we will chain 2 again and do the triple crochet design, and pull it through in the first 2 yarns, and wrap your yarn and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through. So another triple crochet. This time we will make a 5 double crochets. So again, use the back loop only. So 1 double crochet, 2, and 3, and there you go. Oops, sorry. 3, 4, and 5. So you have to make 5 double crochets. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have to increase in the next stitch. Increase means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, so here's my increase there. Okay, and again 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So 5 double crochet and then increase and then 2 double crochets. And then let's make another treble crochet. Wrap your yarn twice and then insert it in here in the post. Pull it through and wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn, pull it through and wrap your yarn and pull it through all the way. So here's another post here. Okay, so repeat the pattern. You should have 5 double crochets, 1 increase and 2 double crochets in the post or triple crochet. So I am here now at the end of this row. I'll just have to slip stitch it to close it. Okay, and now chain 2, 1 and 2, and wrap your yarn in the hook twice and insert it here in the post, and wrap your yarn, pull it through. Okay, and wrap your yarn and pull it through in the first 2 yarns. Again, wrap your yarn and pull it through in the first 2 yarns. And then wrap your yarn and pull it through. Okay, so you have another triple crochet. Now you have to double crochet in the next 6 stitches. So 1 double crochet in the back loop, 1, and then make 6 double crochets in the back loop only. Here's the 6th stitch. Now I have to increase in the next stitch. So increase means 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. 6 double crochets and 1 increase at the end. Okay, and then we do the triple crochet. So you have 2 yarns in your hook and insert here in the post and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through in the first 2 yarns. wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through. So that's another triple crochet there. Now I am here at the end of this row. I have closed it with a slip stitch, and this is what it looks like now. It has a triple crochet designed and the back loop is making a texture. So now chain 2 and wrap your yarn twice in your hook and insert it here in the post and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through until the end. Make double crochet in the next 9 stitches. So insert your hook in the back loop only and make a double crochet 9 times before you will increase. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then in the last stitch make an increase. Increase is 2 double crochet together in 1 stitch. So this is the last row of increase row, that's why it's 9, and instead of doing 7 I did 9. And then make a triple crochet, wrap your yarn twice in your hook and insert it here in the post, and wrap your yarn and pull it through in the first 2 yarns, and wrap your yarn and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through. So repeat this process around the hat. So I am here now on the end of this row, and I just have to slip stitch it to close the row, and this is what it looks like now. Okay, so this is the end of the increase row, and now the next row will be just the basic. So chain 2, and again you have to make a triple crochet, insert your hook here in the post, and then pull your yarn, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Oop, it's caught. Wrap your yarn and pull it through. So again, you just have to do all double crochets until you reach into the next post or triple crochets. Okay, again use the back loop only. So I am here now in the next triple crochet, so wrap your yarn and insert it here in the post, pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through till the end. So from now on, repeat the process, just double crochet and triple crochet, no increase around the hat, and you need 16 rows from top to tip. So I finished my 16 rows, and this is what a triple crochet looks like, and we have textured here because we used the back loop only. So this time we will decorate the edge by making acute petals. So first is you have to slip stitch into the next stitch, so like this, slip stitch, and then half double crochet into the next stitch 3 times. So you have to half double crochet 3 times in the same stitch. So 1, this is 2 and 3. Okay, and in the next stitch you have to double crochet again 3 times. So 1, wrap your yarn and pull it through, 2 double crochet, same stitch, pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through, and 3, this is the 3rd double crochet in the same stitch. And on the next stitch you have to make a triple crochet, so wrap your yarn twice in your hook, insert it into that next stitch, wrap your yarn, pull it in the first 2 yarns in your hook, wrap your yarn, pull it in the first 2 again, okay, and wrap your yarn and pull it all the way to the end. That's your first triple crochet in that stitch. You have to make 3 triple crochet in the same stitch. So wrap your yarn and pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Again, insert your hook, wrap your yarn, pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through, and wrap your yarn and pull it through. 3 triple crochet, and then go back to the double crochet in the next stitch. So 1 and 2. Again, you need 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So this is the 3rd double crochet in this stitch. Okay, so the next stitch you have to half double crochet in here. So insert your hook and make a half double crochet, pull it through, 1 and 2 and 3. So you have 3 half double crochets in the same stitch. So it should look like this. Okay, and then you have to slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, so repeat this process, and you should have a petal. So it start with slip stitch, 3 half double crochets in same stitch, 3 double crochet in same stitch, and 3 triple crochet in the same stitch, and 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and 3 half double crochet in the same stitch, and then slip stitch, and then it should make you a petal. So continue doing the pattern around the hat. You should have 2 petals in each between each post. Okay, so in every 2 posts you should have 2 petals around the hat. Okay, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. So this is what it looks like now. It has a cute petal at the edge, and we will decorate it in the next video, so stay tuned.
We got something good.